River 2 will get into Manhattan. See, they got her walking the other side of the train. They make her do a full investigation of wondering why the train went breaks in emergency. Because everybody, the train went breaks in emergency. We're waiting for the train to recharge from the command center. We don't know what the train operator had to walk all the way to the back to investigate the tracks. We do apologize. We want to make sure that y'all all are updated. And like I said, we're trying to get out this River 2 to get into Manhattan, all right? Once we get the green to go, the train will recharge, okay?
Thanks so much.
We do apologize for the inconvenience and the delay. Once we get the green to go from the command center, the train will recharge. But we're just making sure we didn't hit somebody, all right? On the track. Sometimes, we may be on the track or on the road back. But the train will breaks in emergency. Once we get the power back on, we'll be out of here. Back to we'll apologize. So the train operator had to walk away from the front and investigate all the way to the back just to make sure the tracks were clear. That's ETA procedure. Once we get the green to go, the train will recharge and then we get into Manhattan. But we're just waiting from the command center to recharge the train so we can get out of here. Listen, it's procedure. I'm on here with y'all. I'm riding this with y'all. I'm not.
Our kids in school.
I apologize. There's nothing we can do about that.
So can I get out on the
No,
side?
you cannot. No, you cannot get out.
Dangerous.
Okay, we're in the River 2. We're trying to get into Manhattan to the next station, which is 125th. Okay? Yeah. Once we get the power, I do apologize for that.
Can you tell somebody outside to call my kids' school? Because they're going to take my kids to the precinct, sir. There's no way to communicate.
Yeah,
How do you communicate with your dispatch? Can I give you my kids' school number? So I can call them?
I can't call nobody.
On the dispatch? Because they outside.
They where?
They outside. The dispatch people.
Does anybody have service?
No service.
They have no service.
Let me see if anybody got service.
Probably more up in the front.
I thought it was a documentary, bro.
Yeah. I know it's real, bro. We gotta take it now. It's happening. Just, documentaries,
I understand.
A lot of emergencies happening.
We're in a tunnel, in a train. No, I'll try to make a command call to see what can happen.
That my kids were named.
I understand. I get it. I'm a father too. I'm a father as well. I get it. I'm a father. I have 2 kids as well. But when the same thing with my kids, I'm in a tube. There's no phone calls we can make. I'll try to see if they can reach out, okay? I don't know the procedure behind that. Give me 1 second, man. You come up to my position.
Try his best. Try his best. Yeah, sis.
What were you recording?
Don't worry, sister. One day. Stay calm, cool, collected. Panicking. Everybody's okay. Thank you. Some more trains passing by. So it's getting hotter. More people. There's less people on the other trains. That way you can get some air.
Signal, that's what I need.
It's just getting hot. I don't know if you noticed that. It's a lot cooler back here. Okay.
Oh, we need to leave this.
Okay. So We're gonna see if we can make an emergency call. We'll take it from here and see what's the update. See what's saying. It's an update of what's going on. It's been 15 minutes, probably 20 minutes down here already. This is 5:11. Alright, so we've been down here 20 minutes. The train is trying to start. It needs to repower itself. Come on.
You said the TSS is going to board the train from the rear?
Alright, so we gotta open the back door. TSS. Alright, so let me see this.
Once we get the green to go, the train will move momentarily. Sorry for the delay, but we'll get the train going. Alright, we're still waiting. We have brakes at emergency. We don't know if we hit a signal. I'm sorry, fam. The train operator had to go from the front all the way to the back. That's MTA procedure. Make sure nobody was hit on the tracks. Signals wasn't tripped. We're trying to get this train going. So I just wanted to make sure that everybody is updated. And I'm waiting. Just get the next signal. I'm on the radio listening. Do apologize for the delay. But she has to go. Something happened. And we're in the tunnel on the tube trying to get to Manhattan. But something happened. Where I don't know if it was a signal or anything. Just want to keep everybody updated. Do apologize for the delay, all right? But once the train gets recharged, we'll be out of here. Just want to make sure everybody knows. Sorry for the inconvenience. Once command center restores power.
Speaking, brakes went into emergency where I investigated, and we should be moving shortly.
So we're moving now. Just want to catch this on time. No timing. Train is moving. And now, it started at 5:11. It's 5:38.